In this video, we'll explore one of the most meaningful sections of the app, spiritual resources, designed to help pilgrims prepare mentally, emotionally, and spiritually for Hajj. Once you open the app and log in as a pilgrim, you will find the spiritual resources section named as Dua on home screen. Tap on it to explore a collection of authentic prayers and learning materials meant to guide you before and during Hajj. Currently, the section features 32 authentic duas, each carefully selected for different moments and rituals of Hajj. It offers reliable religious content verified by experts, including step-by-step spiritual guidance, spiritual readings, and a collection of duas that pilgrims can easily learn and recite. All resources are available both online and offline, ensuring uninterrupted access even without internet connectivity. You can view every dua in Arabic along with Urdu translation and its transliteration in Hindi script, making it simple for all pilgrims to understand and recite. Pilgrims can also go to the desired page number using the navigation button available at the center of this tab for quick access. Thank you for watching, and may your Hajj journey be blessed and easy.